Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6 Port Allen, LA Baton Rouge. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. This pet-friendly motel is 10 minutes from downtown Baton Rouge and 15 minutes from the Hollywood Casino. It features an outdoor laundry facilities and flat-screen TVs. The rooms at this Baton Rouge Motel 6 offer cable TV and Wi-Fi. They are furnished with a work desk. Local calls are free. Motel 6 Baton Rouge's front desk is open 24 hours a day. Coffee is served in the lobby daily. Baton Rouge Metropolitan Airport is 20 minutes from the hotel. Louisiana State University is 15 minutes from the motel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.